Hey guys, me again, 18 Math 18 here. Got a 2-box break recap of 2013 TOPPS MLS. I know I made this video yesterday, but I'm redoing it. Okay, let's get into it. For minis, got John Bostock, Will Bruin, Alessandro Nesta, Omar Gonzalez, and Robbie Keane. For rivalries, got the Toronto FC and Montreal Impact, and New England Revolution and New York Red Bulls. For pure soccer, got this Robert Earnshaw, Bill Hamid, Romero Corrales, Hassan Kamara, Jimmy Nielsen, Victor Bernardez, Dan Kennedy, and Obafemi Martins. Finally, for the 1978 EPL inserts, got Romero Corrales, Brian Ching, Thierry Henry for the PC, Mike McGee, Matt Beasler, Jay DeMeritt, Graham Zusi, and Eddie Johnson. That was nice. Now onto the inserts, numbered inserts and parallels. Just got this blue of Chris Korb, number 45 out of 50. And I got this gold of John Bush, number 21 out of 25. This gold Ashton Morgan, numbered 1 out of 25. Now I got this Sebastian Letsu blue for the PC, number 20 out of 25. Finally got this Leonard Palhoy black, number 9 out of 10. See, those are very nice. And then finally I got a photo variation card of Kenny Cooper. That's the variation. This is the original. So yeah, it's cool. I went through the base afterwards and I found that. Now into the hits. I got 7 hits in the first box, 4 relics and 3 autographs. So I'll start off with that. Got this Austin Berry relic, Rookie of the Year, 2012, Nick DeLeon. Kyle Beckerman. And finally for the PC, a Thierry Henry. Now into autographs, I got this Justin Morel, not numbered. Then I got this Super Draft Kyle Becker, not numbered. And then finally, it's really sick 2-color patch autograph of Danny Cooperman's. It's the black variation too, so it's numbered 4 out of 25. Now it's the second box, which I did better. I got 2 relics and 4 autographs. So for the relics, got this Will Bruin 2-color. Is Brian Ching. Now into autographs, got this Fabian Espindola, Sire Sen. It's really nice. Both of them are not numbered. And I got this Brad Davis jersey autograph, not numbered. And then finally, 5 of 10 Justin Moreau red autograph. So yeah guys, that is basically it. Going to the Union game tonight. So yeah guys, guess that's basically it. So later.